What's that? Do you think I'm going to play cricket? Or do you think I'm giving commentary? Okay, my friend, absolutely not. I'm not going to play cricket because I am in the room, and I'm not giving commentary because I am not a commentator. But I love to watch cricket on TV or in the field. You know, the T20 World Cup cricket is going on and Bangladesh qualified Super 8 already. So the people, and especially the cricket lover, are eagerly waiting to watch the match of Bangladeshi cricket team. Okay? Not only Bangladeshi cricket team, but also the people of our country or the cricket lover are enthusiastic to watch match between Australia and England or Australia and India or any other countries. But it is not my purpose to make this video today. I'm going to make this video to explore some cricket vocabularies with my friends. And by giving meaning and examples, I want to make them easy to my viewers. Okay, my friends? So I think this video will be interesting for everybody, especially for the cricket lovers. Before going through the video, I would like to request to subscribe my channel, please. You make some comment or you like my video as well. Okay, my dear friends? So let's get started.
Number 1. Dismissal, meaning the act of getting a batsman out. Example sentence. His brilliant catch led to the dismissal of the team's top batsman. Number 2. Yorker, meaning a delivery bowled so that it pitches at the batsman's feet, making it hard to play. Example sentence. The bowler's well-executed Yorker uprooted the stumps, leaving the batsman with no chance. Number 3. Century, meaning when a batsman scores 100 runs or more in a single innings. Example sentence. He celebrated his century with a triumphant raise of his bat towards the cheering crowd. Number 4. All-rounder, meaning a player who is skilled in both batting and bowling. Example sentence. The team's all-rounder proved crucial by taking key wickets and scoring vital runs. Number 5. Duck, meaning a score of 0 by a batsman. Example sentence. The opener had a disappointing start, getting out for a duck in the first over. Number 6. Spin, meaning a type of bowling where the ball is delivered with a spinning motion to make it deviate on pitching. Example sentence. The spinner's tricky deliveries confuse the batsman, leading to a series of dismissals. Number 7. Bouncer, meaning a short-pitch delivery that rises towards the batsman's head or chest. Example sentence. The fast bowler's bouncer nearly caught the batsman off guard, forcing him to duck quickly. Number 8. Wicket-keeper, meaning the player on the fielding side who stands behind the stumps to catch the ball if the batsman misses it. Example sentence. The wicket-keeper's quick reflexes led to a stunning stumping that turned the game. Number 9. Maiden over, meaning an over in which no runs are scored. Example sentence. The bowler's maiden over built pressure on the batting side, restricting their run rate. Number 10. Follow-on, meaning the requirement for a team to bat again immediately after their first innings if they have a large deficit in runs. Example sentence. Facing a huge lead, the team was forced to follow on, putting them under immense pressure. Thanks for being with me.